girlfriend, let's get to me. You can call me Rafa. I am 14 years old. I am from Palembang in Indonesia. And now I have a memorable and beautiful photo. And I will tell you about the photo. I like this photo is because it is very beautiful for me. Because in that photo is one of the evidence about my birthday party. Wearing a pink dress and blowing a candle. Many balloons decorate the house. Many of my friends come and celebrate. Feeling something and fun together, and I am very happy, oh happy. I got a lot of gifts from my friends. I am happy because I am happy, and it was a memorable birthday party. I am very happy, oh happy.